Hi, I'm Stu, and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to do this cool flip transition, where you can get two shots out of one. Okay, let's get started. Here's the original clip. So it's going from an out of focus foreground that's dark through to this guy with the baseball cap touching the screen. Now, what we want to do with this firstly is make a copy of it. So we'll do Command D, that will duplicate it, and we then want to move that down so that they're next to each other. This is what they look side by side. Now the next thing we want to do is I actually want to start with him and then reveal. So to do that, we go to our first clip, into our speed and reverse the clip. And then you'll see we've then got the clip going from right to left, so it's going to disappear into the darkness, and then it's going to come back out again. Don't want that either. So with the second clip, we're going to go to frame and fit, and then we're going to press on our flip horizontal. And now this time, if we play it through, you will see that it goes from the foreground and then into black and then back out the other side. Now again, we're not just finished there, although we've got the basis of a good clip. What we're going to do now is we're going to speed things up a little bit on the first part of the clip. So we'll take it up to around about maybe 1.25 times, see how that looks. Now there's two reasons why I'm doing this. One, I want to obviously foreshorten the first clip. The second thing is I actually want to make the guy just look a little bit erratic, and there's something not right off about him, if that makes sense. And there we go. And then the next clip, the reveal is going to be in perfect timing. Now you'll notice if we go into between the two clips, there's this little sort of white dot up here, or square, rectangle. It's just an artifact of what's going on with the clip. Well, what I want to do with that is I'm going to go back into frame and fit. We'll bring things down to around about 40. I reckon's a good spot. Just fine tune that down. And then we're going to increase our size to 145. Go a little bit too far, just bring that back the other way. There we go. And now we've got a bit of a close-up going on. So there's the close-up with the slightly speeded up, fast, erratic movements, which then blends into this shot here. Go back into frame and fit, and we repeat the adjustments. We'll move the position down to 40. I've got that bang on. And then we increase the size to again 145. You don't have to be utterly accurate with this, but around about there, so that it fills the canvas. Then we go back out. Let's watch it again. We'll take it from here. You'll see the transition is a lot cleaner. Now the final thing we want to do to really sell this and make the clips look the same but different, if that makes sense, is we want to go back into frame and fit, and we want to go to the beginning of our clip, and then from there we're just going to come in, beginning our clip. We're going to create a keyframe at the beginning. I'm going to scoot right the way along to the end of the clip. We're going to create another keyframe, and then this time we're going to reset our size and reset our Y position. And then when we play the clip through this time, you'll see it goes from a close-up to a close-up that's then going to pull out and go wide, or at least wider. What you've got there is one shot working two different ways. And just to finish everything off, I've added two sound effects and my signature animation. And if we play it through now, tension into the situation. And there's the overall effect. So 2 clips for the price of 1, and because you're going from foreground element to a background element in terms of the transition, you get what I call the flip transition, which is just flipping the horizontal axis so you get the double effect. That looks pretty cool. Hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if I've earned your subscription, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!